A muscle car that can't do a burnout. The new EV Dodge Challenger Daytona, despite making over 600 horsepower, can't burn a little bit of rubber. This is the first mass-produced electric muscle car, and we are off to a not-so-great start. Sure, it can do some things right. It's quick, it can drift, it kinda has an exhaust. But when you combine muscle car with electric, it just feels like we're mixing water and oil. I'm really curious to see how this car is going to do. I feel like they're trying to cater to the right audience with the wrong product. Although it wasn't Dodge's fault because their parent company made them switch to EV, it still kind of sucks to see their staple sports car just die. Now we just have another big microwave on the road. If you like car news and car content like this, make sure you drop a follow, double tap that screen, and share with a friend. Peace out.